Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be talking about the contextlib module in Python. We'll dive into the world of context managers and beyond. Context managers are incredibly powerful tools for managing resources and controlling the flow of code. Now, before we get into the video, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm, and with that out the way, let's hop right into it. So first thing we're going to do is import the necessary module, which is just the contextlib module. This will help us access the functionalities that the contextlib module provides. Now, let's start by exploring context managers. A context manager is an object that defines the methods enter and exit, which allow you to control what happens when the context is entered and exited. Here we define a context manager using the context manager decorator provided by contextlib. Inside the context manager function, we have the code to run when entering the context, followed by a yield statement to yield control to the code block within the context. After the code block finishes, the code to run when exiting the context is executed. Now let's see the context manager in action. Here, we use the with statement to enter the context managed by myContext. Inside the context, any code you write will execute. Once the code block within the context finishes, the context manager's exit code will be executed. Alright, so now that we've covered the basics of context managers, we're going to now explore some more advanced features provided by the contextlib module. One such feature is the closing context manager, which allows you to ensure that a particular object is closed properly regardless of exceptions or errors. Alright, so here we import the closing context manager and use it in conjunction with the URL open from the URL lib.request module. Closing context manager ensures that the response object is closed properly after we finish working with it. Alright, so we've just explored Python's contextlib module and discovered the power of context managers. From creating custom context managers to utilizing advanced features like closing, this module provides us with powerful tools to manage resources and control the flow of our code. If you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like down below, drop a comment, and we'll catch you in the next one.